What's up, everyone? So here we have a B550-xt, and we're gonna do a little unboxing on this thing. And it's brand new. I heard it's pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Well, let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. I guess you can control it with your voice. Anyways, let's open it and see what's inside. See if I could do this. Alright. So this is $199. $199 plus taxes. They wanted to sell me the they wanted me to buy the insurance on it. I said, you know what? Nah, don't worry about it. So that's it. And there's get started. So you know what? Honestly, I'm not gonna read that. That's the foam for the earpiece, the USB adapter, Blueparrot. I guess this blue part right here lights up when you plug it in. And that's the earpiece foam, which I personally like. And there's the microphone foam. I guess I don't know if it comes with two or just one. So that's that, and this is the headset itself. Oh, this feels pretty good. Hefty. So take that plastic off. Man, that's pretty good. What is that? So you can get it just right. Do know how. Okay, so this is a you can't turn this around like my other headset, which I have right here. Oh, and the wife is making something, I don't know. I have this too. That's and this is the BT250. Good headsets, man. That's the cable. You can move if you use it on the right side or if you use it on the left side. It's up to you. I like the fact that you could adjust the boom. Usually you're supposed to keep it like, I don't know, about 1.5 inches from your mouth or something like that. I read the manual on the previous ones that I owned. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna charge it up. Yeah, this was really good. I was gonna get the Rand McNally, but I heard a couple bad reviews about it, and I didn't want to risk it. So here it is. I guess you could turn this. No, actually, no. This is an adjustable headband. Yeah, it is. Yep. And this is there for comfort. Okay. That's all there is to it, man. If you like it, I'll do a follow-up video. Any questions, post them down below. Here's a look at the box. See if I could get to. I've always owned blue parrots, and they've been really good to me. Never let me down, so I just stick with what works. How's that? I bought that a few months ago. I don't know, just thought I'd pull the box out. I don't know. Anyways, here's the user manual. I won't be reading it because, I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So, there it is. See y'all. Bye-bye.